Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. Welcome to today's video on native plants. So I am up in Maine currently and it's fall, it's just gorgeous up here. And I thought it would be fun to do a video on some of the hikes that I've taken and identify some great native plants that you could also use in your garden. But it's also fun, if you're hiking with the family, it's fun to be able to identify some things. So as a gardener, I also love nature. I'm a nature lover. And so I thought today's video would be a little bit different, but fun for everyone. So I'm standing here next to this amazing winterberry, and I've seen so much of it up here, just everywhere. Bright red, it still has its leaves on it, and pretty soon it's going to lose its leaves because it is deciduous, and it'll just be bright red berries. And so I did want to talk a little bit about the winterberry and lots of other great native plants. So come on and join me on my little hiking adventure, and I've got some goodies here for you.